Hello, I'm Jess, the founder of Sallie Tomato, and it's hard to believe that we're already on day 10 of unboxing our Sallie Tomato & Co. box. We hope that you're enjoying the Galactic Glamour theme and are inspired to make your next out-of-this-world project. Day 10. This item is paired with a bonus surprise that will send you over the moon with joy, specially selected for you from Wonderfill and Quiltoni. There are all kinds of fun goodies. Today's item includes 2 spools of thread from Wonderfill and a bonus surprise from Quiltoni. We are so excited to partner with Wonderfill for the very first time. Wonderfill has provided 2 spools of thread for you to use in your bag making projects. The first spool of thread is a Home Deck 40 weight thread. This is an enhanced polyester multi-filament thread designed for heavy-duty sewing on thicker and stiffer materials, making it perfect for bag making. It's available in 60, 40, and 30 weight. The second spool is the Aurora Glow in the Dark thread. This super fun polyester glow in the dark thread is designed to light up, making it perfect for your Galactic Glamour theme. Aurora is a fantastic way to add another dimension to any sewing project. Just switch off the lights to see your stitching light up. You can also leave it in the sun or under a bright light to recharge for a stronger glow. Included in the card you received from Wonderfill is additional information about the thread, including the recommended needle size for your new thread. And the final item for today is a never-before-seen pattern from Quiltoni. Tony and I met each other last year, and ever since we've been working together on several projects. Tony is a talented designer and educator. She creates original pixelated quilt designs which are fun to make. They are great patterns to teach beginners as well as expand quilting techniques. She travels the world teaching and spreading her love of sewing. I cannot say enough good things about Tony, so definitely go check out her website and see if she's teaching a class near you. I'm so excited to share this pattern with you. This original quilt design is a perfect quilt block, but also makes a great bag panel or pillow for your home. Add in the Aurora Glow in the Dark thread for quilting, and you truly have an out-of-this-world project. I'd like to give a big shout out and sincere thank you to Quiltoni and Wonderfill Threads for being a part of our Galactic Glamour box. We are so grateful for our sewing partners. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. And if you've enjoyed this video, we would love for you to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we cannot wait to see what you create with this Galactic Glamour box. Have a creative day.